let's say you go to a rabbi's house often because you need something from his house. Let's say a sefer or something, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. A lot of times he's not in the house, and he has no problem with you going during the day, right? Because it's kosher. You can go to
It's
the house,
proper.
even though only my wife is there.
It's proper if the only wife there. So you see, you say, Rabbi, told me to pick up the sefer. Could you bring the sefer? It's on his desk. It's and then you wait outside. She should bring it outside.
Oh, so I can't go inside.
No, that's. I mean, technically, if the door is open, this. So what I do is, I mean, I don't go to people's house, but when my friend asked me to deliver something, he was busy, stuff like that. So I brought to his wife, and then she was supposed to give me whatever money, whatever. So I just wait outside. So I put behind the door seal, and she can carry by herself. Okay, I put it down. She can pick it up and carry, and she brought me. So she said, maybe you want to come. Maybe it's hot. I can give you some water. I need to look for the papers. And no problem. I'm going to wait. Take your time. So don't go in. And same with women. So don't go in the house. I mean, if he's not there. I mean, maybe you can control yourself, but you don't know what in her mind. And just because she's 3 times older than you, does not mean absolutely anything. That's what it says. Even ugly, even sinly or unsinly.
Understood. What's it called? What if you're not sure if, let's say, the woman's in the house or if the rabbi's in the house? Are you allowed to go in?
No, but somebody have to open your door, no?
No. They live in a frumish area, so they just keep the door open at all times until it's night.
Okay. So you can when you come in, you can say. This is so and so. Is anybody home? So and the wife is screaming. I mean, yeah, I'm home. Please come in. I say, yeah, no. I'm going to wait here. So she would understand. She would understand what exactly we're doing. From people, they should know. Like sometimes they little bend a little this and that because of the other people who do not know, but they know exactly what you mean. That please bring the safer. Please bring this and that. So okay, that's very, very, very respectful. Ask her to bring you whatever things out. I'm not going to it. Maybe she wants to. No, I don't want to drink. No, I'm good. Thank you.
But am I allowed to go halfway up the stairs just to ask if the rabbi's home or if the rabbi isn't home? Because maybe he's laying in bed or something. I don't know. So am I allowed to?
I mean, to get response, yeah, you can go into a pond. But as soon as you understand that she's no. He's going to be back 40 minutes from now. Okay, so you step back and say, could you bring? No, she said, no, come in. No, I'll wait here. After she said, no, come in. After 2 times you said no, and she's going to get the point. Yeah, understand? So okay.
It's great.
Yeah. So I mean, it's very, very, very important questions. I mean, many people don't teach it, but I'm not sure why. Okay.